Hey guys, I'm here with Scotty McCreery, American Idol Season 10 winner. The reason why you're here at the Knot offices today is because you recently got engaged.
Got engaged, yes. Getting married this year.
To your kindergarten sweetheart, Gabi Dugal.
Kinda, sorta, yeah. We knew each other in kindergarten. That's where we met. Elementary, middle, high school. And her kindergarten diary she had Mrs. Gabi McCreery written in hearts all over it. So
that's
pretty sweet. I think it's one of those fate things. But I had my eye on her all through high school and finally worked up the nerve to ask her out senior year and been together ever since.
That is so incredibly sweet.
Yeah.
How did you propose?
Well, we have a secret spot up in the mountains of North Carolina that we like to hike to, and it's on these cliffs that are overlooking like just untouched mountains, no roads, no houses, no nothing, just trees and mountains at first, as long as you can see. So that's our spot. I knew I was always going to propose to her there whenever we first went there a few years ago, and yeah, went up there last September, so pretty sweet.
Speaking of which, so now that you are engaged and you're planning your wedding, we wanted you to take our style quiz. Kind of gives you an idea of what your beautiful ideal wedding would look like.
Awesome.
You're gonna swipe left or swipe right as we take it together. So are you hosting your ceremony in a religious setting?
No.
Okay. Swipe to start.
Swipe.
So you can swipe. Yeah, it's kind of like it's fun because it's dating app style where you can say yes or no to different elements of it.
So
you're just gonna go.
Right is right or left is right?
Left is. I guess this is true. You have been with her since high school. So.
Yeah, I never did the dating.
Yeah.
Modern law. No. No waterfront. Ooh. Romantic.
The mountains,
yes,
yeah,
that is right.
yeah.
Southern trees, absolutely.
Isn't it fun?
Yeah, I'm into this now. Cheers to great taste.
Cheers to great taste, guys.
Right. This is for the receptions.
Yes.
Okay. Intimate beach. That's cool. Casual tinted barn. Yeah. Eclectic theater. Yeah. Romantic trees. Sure.
Yeah. No elegant ballroom for you.
I can see that a little
yes.
bit. Would it tell you if you had bad taste? Would it tell you that?
You know what? I'm not. I'm just gonna stay silent. If you're a Harry Potter fan, include Harry Potter. You know?
Why not? No, we're at table setting.
Yeah, these are the details. Like, these are the touches that Gabi is really getting into right now. Yeah, yeah, but this is where you have to make a decision. You have to be like yes or no.
I know.
Yeah.
My main thing is the catering. That's what I'm helping out
with.
I can taste test all day long.
Sounds delicious.
We're on a bouquet.
Yeah, this is the final stretch, the home stretch.
Okay. Well, I have no. That's too much. All right. That's cool.
I have a feeling I know what Scotty's gonna get.
Really? You got an idea?
I have a little bit of an idea. Yeah. The simple touches are the ones that are really speaking to you. Pastel colors, but you're liking the bold.
Yeah.
The bold colors, the bright, and the bold, and the lush florals.
Absolutely. That is my style.
Oh, this is your quick.
Okay.
All right.
That looks cool.
Yeah.
Cupcake. That's Carolina blue. Donuts.
Scotty, your style is
romantic, with a bit of elegant and a touch of traditional. The setting could be in a waterfront, trees, or farm and ranch. Absolutely.
Is this speaking to your wedding somehow?
It sounds pretty like it.
Yeah?
Like it.
I was expecting southern or intimate or
southern?
class,
Oh
you know, but you did get some really beautiful. You do have good taste, though, it seems. You know, I can see this.
Yeah. You kept telling me that.
Yeah, farm and ranch. I'm into that.
Yeah. Well, that's pretty southern.
Yeah.
So yeah, we can do that.
Hi, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe and return for new videos every single week. Don't forget to hit that like button. No, seriously, you should hit it now.